Hey guys, we're back again at 10:02. Battling for John's Egon figure. I got 10 spots here that I'm going to take over to random here in just a moment. How to find our winner. Paste him in there. Roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. Very slowly. We get a 10. Good luck. Fellas, here we go. Matt, round 1 and 2. Jason, 3. Brandon, 4. Matt, 5. Brandon, 6. Matt again on top for round 7 and round 8. Jason, round 9. And our winner is Jason Lee Hassel in at number 9. Congratulations, Jay. XXLTIC. Jason Hassel in at number 9 is the victor. And I am done at 10-3. There she is. Again, here's the official results. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thank you.